incarnate on this earth. You have a deep understanding that pulling through challenges makes you stronger and more resilient. Moments of stress that come with motherhood are simply like a passing breeze in the wind. You have been blessed with the opportunity to be a mother. Your child has been blessed to have you to show them the meaning of true love. In those moments when you feel overwhelmed, take 3 deep breaths and think of your child's smile. Hear them laugh. Cherish these moments because they are fleeting. The joy that your child brings you is stronger than any stressful moments, which is only temporary. Now hear yourself saying, "I know everything is okay. All I need is within me. I am aware of my words I speak. I back them with kindness, even when I am stressed. I am aware of my feelings, respecting that it is okay to feel sad, just as it is okay to feel happy. I am mindful of my thoughts because what I think controls my life. I am blessed to be a mother. My children are blessed to have me. Good. Now take a nice big breath and say to yourself, "Thank you, Mama. You got this. Everything you are doing is for the greater good." Finish your practice with a gentle smile